This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and I get hundreds of lock-related emails every day. Unfortunately, it's far too many to answer, but one common inquiry is how to keep someone from using a lock temporarily. The backstories vary in their details. We get ex-boyfriends, landlords, tenants, maids, dog walkers, house guests, Airbnb, but usually they include someone late in returning a key. And it's those stories that inspired the latest addition to the Covert Companion. This is the Lock Harpoon expansion kit, which I just released this morning over on covertinstruments.com. The disabling concept is similar to old-fashioned motel keys, but the Lock Harpoon is far more versatile, fitting in a wide variety of keyways. And because it's carried in your Covert Companion, you are far more likely to have it with you when you actually need it. Let me show you how this works on a cutaway lock. First, we extend one of the lock harpoons. I have two of them installed on this Covert Companion, but the kit comes with all the parts you need to install 4. You push the harpoon into the keyway, and if we look carefully, we can see it pushing the pins out of the way, and then they drop down behind the barb. It's then lodged in position, and we can pull the Covert Companion away, leaving the harpoon in position. Because it's lodged in the keyway, you can't fit a key in, and the lock is temporarily disabled. To remove it, we use the included removal tool, and if we look carefully, we can see it pushing the pins out of the way, and then we can pull the harpoon out. Now, this cutaway lock is a Schlage SC1 keyway, one of the more common keyways in the US, but we're going to try this on a couple of others. This is a Kwikset KW1, another very common keyway in the US, and you can see it fits perfectly in there. Then we have this Brinks lock that has one of the more popular padlock keyways in the US, and again, it works perfectly there. And let's do a Master Lock 141. Again, no problems. And finally, we're going to end with this American lock with an AM5 keyway. You can see it is perfectly lodged in that keyway, and the removal tool will take it out. Now, I should note that these are far from foolproof. Someone who knows their way around locks probably won't have too much trouble defeating this, but they're probably the same types of people who won't need the key anyway. So, if this is something you may want to add to your Covert Companion, I'll leave a product link in the description below. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.